Welcome back everyone to the channel. Wish I can save this moment. So this is the topic for today of creating a snapshot of the VM and then using it in later time when the VM goes corrupt. So let's go ahead and save the moment. So let's first of all turn on our ESX. The ESX is turned on and we will open up the GUI version for the ESX. I'm sure you would remember it from the last session that to open up you need to open up the IP address as it says on the screen 192.168.10.5. Let me open it up. It's 192.168.10.5. So this is the GUI version of the ESX from where you can manage it. System's running a bit slow, sorry for that. So once the page is up, I had saved the password with the root user ID, so I'm logged into the ESXi. So let us first of all understand what a snapshot is. A snapshot is a copy of the point in time of the virtual machine. Let me try to explain this in simple terms. Let's say we normally go to trips and there's a moment when you say, oh, such a beautiful moment, I wish I could save this forever. The same thing could be applied for a virtual machine. You can save a snapshot, you can take a picture of the virtual machine in whichever state it is, and then you can keep a copy of that. Let's go ahead and do it. So I have the virtual machines. I'll open up the console for this. I'll launch the remote console. Should be up. Okay, it's coming up. Actually, I've got too many machines on a less memory machine, and that's the reason it's taking up so much time to open it up. Let's go to actions, console, launch remote console. It should have been up. See the memory 4 GB. Let me change this. Edit settings. So this VM itself is taking up 4 GB. I'll make it 2 GB. 2048. Save. The memory value which is larger than its original value. So the original value is 4 GB. I have to put in a greater one, but the system itself is not running as of now. Let me open up it in a browser if it allows me. Okay, here it is. So we have the machine up. Let's log into this. Send keys. You go to guest OS, send keys, Control-Alt-Delete. Let me put in the password. Creating my profile now. So once this is up, we will try to create some files on the desktop and open up a few windows, and then we'll take a snapshot for this. Let's open up this. I'll create a new file. So testing is the name for the file. test file to test the snapshot. I'll save it, I'll close it, I'll leave it open as it is. It doesn't make a difference. So basically, whatever state the machine is in as of now, it will take a snapshot for that. I'll go to virtual machines, do a right click on this, or you can commands, go to actions, from actions go to snapshot, and then click on take snapshot. So this is test snap 1. I'll put in a after the VM tools were installed. You can put it in description as to what makes you help remember as to what the snapshot was. I'll take a snapshot. Let's go to the task. So as you can see over here, the snapshot is being prepared. Let's minimize this. Once this is done, we'll have a separate number of files in the data store. So in the meantime, let's go to storage, data store, browser, this is the VM1. So these are the files that we have when the machine is created by default. Once the snapshot is created, you will find some other files coming up over here. We'll come onto this. In fact, they would be created. If you do a refresh, you see this was created at 27th March, that's today. A snapshot is being created, the VMem. This file stores the snapshot of the memory in place. It's 4 GB as we can see. Let's say in future we have some issues with the RAM and we downgrade it to 2 GB or we upgrade to 16 GB, and then you see that the applications were working well and fine when the memory was 4 GB. So you can go back and revert to this. Let's close this. So the snapshot has been created. Let's go to the virtual machine. We'll see other options as to what we have for snapshot. Go to actions, snapshot. So we have take snapshot that we have seen right now. If you want to restore a snapshot, let's say something has gone wrong with this VM and then you want to get it back to the previous point in time, you can do a restore. Manage snapshot, again in case you have more than one snapshot, you can manage them. And then we have something called consolidated disk. So basically this is in case you have taken around 7 to 8 snapshots in a month and you want to consolidate them into one particular file, you can use this option for that. Now let's do one thing. Let's go to the console of the VM and then I'll delete this. I'll put in new snapshot. I'll save this. I'll open the desktop. In fact, let me delete this. So this is gone. So you see that as of now the time is 10:31 AM, 27th March. Let's do a restore of the previous snapshot. I'll go to, let's minimize this. I go to actions, snapshot, restore snapshot. It says the current state of the virtual machine will be lost unless it is saved in a snapshot. I'm okay with that. Let's do a restore. So you'll see that once the restore is done, the screen would change. We will have that file restored again. Okay, here it is. So this file was deleted before a few minutes. This has been restored. This is what we mean by taking a snapshot and then restoring it in case something goes wrong. Hope you would have enjoyed this video. In the next session, I'll take up a video of how to troubleshoot the snapshots. In case the snapshot is not working, if in case you're not able to take a snapshot, what could be the issues and how do we troubleshoot that? So I'll end up this session for the time being. In case you have any questions, do come up on the comment and let me know what needs to be changed. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great one. Bye bye.